That took me a while to do though, because that's such a small tractor, but it got the job done. It just took a little bit longer. Welcome back everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. After the big dig out, we had a bunch of ice and we got probably about 3 to 6 inches of snow on top of that. And also we had like 20-30 mile an hour winds, so that made the snow drift really bad. So I gotta clean up the driveway. Marcia's vehicle barely made it up. So it's really bright out here, so I usually wear sunglasses so I don't get migraines. So I got the tractor warming up right now. Got a lot of work to do. Roads are not very good. It took a while just to get to this point, so where I'm at. So going ahead and get this all cleaned up and we'll just go from there. Well, got her all done. Got it all plowed all the way down the driveway. Little LS tractor didn't do too bad. It's really bright out. That took me a while to do though, because that's such a small tractor, but it got the job done. It just took a little bit longer. So, I'll tell you what, it feels a whole lot better out, but temperatures are going to drop. We're talking daytime high 23 tomorrow and nighttime low of 0, wind chill -15. So gonna make sure the pigs, they have plenty of straw. I'm pretty positive maple sap is not going to run. It's so cold out, and with the bad weather that we have with all the sleet and snow, it's gonna be too cold for the trees to warm up. So that's where I'm gonna end it. Talk to y'all later. Make sure you subscribe. We're so close to 200. So see you on the next one. Bye.